Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up Edge on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Edge browser. After that, what you need to do is, in here on the three dot menu, just click it. Then you need to go inside extensions. And from here, from the extension list, see all the available extensions that you have installed and uninstall the useless unnecessary ones. Currently, I don't have any extensions that I need to install, so I'm gonna skip it. And the next thing which you need to do is just click on the three dot again. From here, just go to settings once again. Then from the left hand menu, you need to go to start, home, and new tabs. From here, when Edge starts, it will be set to something. It might be set to open for this page and it might have some spammy links. Just ignore all of those. Just click on open these pages, click on add a new page. In here, type the URL. I'm going to type www.google.com because I want to start Edge on this website. Click on OK. Then you can just close this browser. Then from now on, whenever you open Edge, you'll find google.com as your startup page. Then the next step is just click on the three dot icon again. Then click on settings. From here, you need to click on cookies and site permission. From here, just scroll down and make sure under all permission, your location, camera, and microphone is set to ask first because this is the best available settings for your sites. After that, just close this. Then just go to the URL bar. In here, type edge clone//flags and hit on enter. In here, just search for download and you'll find parallel downloading. What you need to do is just go ahead and enable this. And it says enable parallel downloading to accelerate your download speed. This will make sure you get higher download speeds. Just set this to enabled and click on restart Edge. Then just wait, your Edge will restart. That's all you need to do. And basically that is how to speed up your Edge browser on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.